So first deflate gun by removing this this white part. So you take coin and you unscrew this, and inside you have valve, and you press that, and when gun is deflated you can remove this part safely. Otherwise, if there is air in gun, piston will fly out and it can hit you in your head. And this is shock absorber from this gun, and this is kit. So currently there is nothing inside, and here is O-ring. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So this is movable plastic part, and this is movable plastic part with O-ring. So when you get, so this is small O-ring and this is big O-ring, and if this is already inside, this means that O-ring is inserted. If this can drop like this after you unscrew this aluminum part, that means that there is no O-ring inside. So when you put O-ring on this, you do something like this, but it is better to apply some silicone grease. So I will take toothpick and I will apply some grease. So I took toothpick and I applied some silicone grease on toothpick, and now I need to do this because I'm using my one hand for holding camera. I need to do with one hand because I do not have three hands. So now silicone grease is applied, and here we have this is new thing in design. I have this channel, and why do I have it? Because it is possible that shock absorber stucks, and if it stucks you cannot push it down, and in this way, if you have this groove, you can take some stick and you can try to push it down. So this is big O-ring, this is small O-ring. This is how it looks when there is no O-ring, and when I applied silicone grease. So need to press, and when you press, this is how it looks. So now it will not fall out, and this is the same. This is for other gun, but same principle. So same principle. So I take this, there is no O-ring, it will fall out. Here I have O-ring, it will not fall out. So, and in this groove you need to put O-ring even bigger than this, but this is for Cyrano EVO HF. This is for Cyrano EVO. So let's continue with this kit. So when you have this inside, you can apply some small amount of grease, regular grease, on this thread. So as I do not have 3 hands, I will do just like this. So okay, and this is it. So you tight this with hand, it's not necessary to use some tools. Just be sure to check when you use gun that part is not unscrewed, and when you have O-ring you can move this part, it will align itself when you have vacuum and when you put spear inside. And second thing is to, so this is plastic part from shock absorber, and this is how it looks when it's completed with rubber part. So this is complete shock absorber with rubber part, and this is just plastic part, and you do this. Again, it's a little bit hard with one hand, but so this is it. Plastic part, rubber part. You push it like this. That's it. And this is how it goes. So piston will hit on this side of plastic part, and that means that you need to take shock absorber and put it like this. So like this, and you screw this. Also you can use your hand, make it tight with your hand, and when you have pressure in gun this will expand little bit, so it will be tight fit. So it is enough to do like this, and this is it. And for spear you take one of cone rings. So one cone ring, one small O-ring. Okay, and slider, and that's it. And you push it inside, and that's it. So this is how it works. So it is same story for Cyrano EVO HF. You have shock absorber, you put it like this, like that. You have movable part on which you need to assemble O-ring. So if I can do it with one hand, and it is good to put some silicone grease, because it is easier to press, so you need to press this all the way. You will hear pop sound, otherwise it's a little bit difficult. So when you press it inside, you take this screw it all the way, and here you need to take big O-ring from your original part from your gun and put it here and screw it all the way in gun, and that's it basically. So these all are spare parts. These are all spare parts. And here you have dimensions. So model Tomba700X O-ring. This is O-ring. This is this size O-ring, and this is this size O-ring, and this 12 degrees. This is new design of O-ring. So other was with 8 degrees, and newest version is with 12 degrees. And that's it.